What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be installing some rear upper camber arms on my 2022 Corolla Apex. Didn't see many videos on this, so I'm going to give it a go. The shop quoted me $510 to put these on 3.4 hours, so I don't have that kind of money, or I didn't expect that many hours needed in order to put this on. Their rate was like $150 per hour, so you know, that's just what they quoted me. Not trying to talk bad about them. Just thought it was a little more expensive than I previously thought myself. So let's give this a go. It shouldn't be too bad, I would say. It looks like one bolt here, one in the back. And yeah, let's get into it. First, we're gonna jack up the car, remove the wheel. Right now, you can see, don't have much camber. Just a little bit of natural camber, but definitely rubbing here, as you can tell. But hopefully this takes care of that, and alignment will be good to go. All right, so here is the upper control arm, I believe is what it's called. Looks like you have a bolt here and one back here. You have this little bracket that's being held on by this, just holding these sensors and this brake line. You also have, so again, this is in the sedan, a bolt back there, and I believe there's one hidden somewhere in there. So this looks like quite a challenging job just because it's pretty tight in here, but I'm gonna start off by taking this off just to make some more room so I can get to these bolts right here. All right, so this is a 12 mil. We have a little bit better access now to this. I'm gonna put a wrench over this and impact on this side, I believe. Let's see what fits this nut right here. Okay, so this is a 17, this is a 14. So just unscrew from this side, hold this in place so it comes out. All right, so that is out. This is a little looser, just popped out, so there will be pressure. When we go ahead and put the other control arm, I'm probably gonna put some a jack under here to push it up, just to kind of line up the bolts. Next, we got to get to that back there. I'm not sure what's behind on the other side. I really cannot see. It's too many things in front, but let me see if I can get another angle. All right, so you're gonna see that bolt is gonna be a 14 mil. I'm just using regular ratchet. It's not on super duper tight, so it's able to loosen up. On the other side, I literally cannot find a good angle to show you the nut, but you may need to just slide your hand through to hold it down in the meantime. As you can see, this is pretty loose. I'm not sure how this takes even half of 3 hours to do. So yeah, this is very doable to do it yourself. Hopefully putting these in is just as simple, but I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this up and I'll update you guys in a sec. All right, and it is out. So far, I'm about 10 minutes in. So your camber arms are gonna come with the left and right side. So left is going to be your driver's side here in the US, where the steering wheel is. So left side is going to be, if you're facing the car from the back, the left tail light, okay? So if you're looking, so we'll do a little comparison right now. This is smaller. I am going to lengthen this out a bit before I install it, just so that it lines up a little better. This is how the bolt is going to come out, okay? So the nut is gonna be on the left side and the screw part is gonna be on the right side, okay? So let's go ahead and lengthen this and throw it back in. Well, I just put these in place just for now. I'm just gonna tighten them with the sockets that I mentioned earlier, and then you should be good. All right, here we go. Holy cow. That is some pretty crazy, not crazy, but that is some pretty mean camber. Yeah. Looks like most of the tire is on the ground, which is good. In terms of the sidewall, not too much. So I like that. Did take a while to button everything up, but I'd say only took me about, say, 45 minutes total. You can get this done on per side. So you may be faster than I am, but yeah, it looks good. Hope it helps you guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, take care. Bye.